Welcome to this new tutorial of the series Data Mining Concepts and Techniques. Today we will see very important topic in the classification, that is the rule based classification. So if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So today we will see rule based classification in detail. So let's get started. So what is rule based classification? It is using if then rules for the classification. In comparison to the Bayesian classification, rule based classification is simple if we compare with the Bayesian. So what it is, it represents the knowledge in the form of if then rules. So if age is equal to youth and student is equal to yes, then he will surely buy the computer. This is one of the example for if then or rule based classification. So if he is a youth and a student, then he will surely buy a computer. So this is called as a rule antecedent or precondition versus rule consequent. So assessment of these rules are given in terms of coverage and accuracy. So n covers is equal to hash of tuples covered by R, and n correct is equal to hash of tuples correctly classified by R. The two terms are there is a coverage and there is a accuracy. Okay, and if more than one rule are triggered, it needs a conflict resolution. So if you want to apply more than two rules, there will be a triggering, or what we can say, there is a conflict resolution. So how to handle this? By the size ordering, assign the highest priority to the triggering rules that has the toughest requirement, that is with the most attribute test. This is one of the conflict resolution technique. Then the second is class based ordering. If we decrease the order of prevalence or misclassification cost per class, we can reduce the then the third technique for the conflict resolution is rule based ordering, that is the decision list. What we can do in this rule based ordering, rules are organized into one long priority list according to some measure of rule quality or by experts. So this is how, or these are some of the techniques for the conflict resolution. Okay, next we will see rule extraction from a decision tree. Earlier slide we have seen how to calculate the if then rule, okay, in the inverse manner. In the decision tree we will formulate with the help of the tree here, or the decision tree here. If the age is less than equal to 30 and he is a student, will not buy a computer. Okay, he is not a student, and if he is a student, then he will buy a computer. And if the age is 31 to 40, he will surely buy a computer. And if the age is greater than 40, then it will depend on the credit rating. The if it is an excellent credit rating, then he will not buy a computer, and if it is a fair credit rating, then surely he will buy a computer. You can extract the rules from this decision tree. That is, rules are easier to understand than large trees. One rule is created for each path from the root to leaf. Each attribute value pair along a path forms a conjunction. Okay, the leaf holds the class prediction. Okay, rules are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. The rule extraction example is given from our Bayes computer decision tree, that is this decision tree. Same sentences I have told you earlier, that is if he is young and he is not a student, then he will not buy a computer. No is given here. Okay, and if he is a young and he is a student, then he will surely buy a computer. Similarly, the rules are extracted from this decision tree. So this is the rule extraction from decision tree. Okay, simple it is. Then next is rule induction, that is sequential covering methods. So the sequential covering methods are the extracts rules directly from training data, and typically sequential covering algorithms are FOIL, AQ, CN2, Reaper. So these are some of the algorithms. Then rules are learned sequentially. Each for given class CI will cover many tuples of CI but none or few of the tuples of other classes. So the steps for this rule induction are: rules are learned one at a time. Each time a rule is learned, the tuples covered by the rules are removed. Then the process repeats on the remaining tuples unless termination condition. For example, when no more training examples or when the quality of rule written is below a user specified threshold. Okay, so this is the rule induction basically, and the steps are given. The next is the sequential covering algorithm, where the while loop is used for the sequential covering. Okay, while enough target tuples left, generate a rule and remove positive target tuples satisfying these rules. So if we consider this ellipse as a positive example, then the examples covered by rule 1, this is the small ellipse is given here, then the large ellipse for the examples covered by rule 2, and the larger ellipse for examples covered by rule 3. Okay, this is the sequential covering algorithm. So this is the covering given here. So this is all about the rule based algorithm, and it is very important and simple algorithm for the classification. If you like this video, share to your friends, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.